Hello, hello, hello. This is Henry, Big H Transportation. Just want to give a quick shout out to Lyle from No Hippe Trucking and Transportation. I really appreciate you doing a little advertising for me. Yeah, I'm just hanging out in my truck. I did my sleepy, waiting for my clock to reset. My sleepy, that's some analogy. In any event, I am waiting for my clock to turn and the reset, and once that happens, I'll go on duty, do my pre-trip, and I'm out. I don't like hanging out at truck stops. As you can see, I did 523 miles last night. I gotta conserve time, so I think I'm just gonna drive 8 hours, which takes me to about 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sitting here in Kentucky, just outside of Louisville at a pilot. But more importantly, the reason why I'm doing this video is to mention Lyle from No Hippe Trucking and Transportation. Yeah, I've known Lyle since I started PSD back in Pittston a little over a year ago, and he's one of the main reasons why I decided to come to Prime. He talked very positively about it. He also talked. We also chatted a little bit about the training program and what he went through, and you just kind of want to learn about a company. You could read about a company, you could watch a million videos about a company, but it's not until you actually speak to someone who works at a company, and hopefully they of service driving time. And hopefully they will give you a truthful answer. And I could just tell by the videos Lyle was putting out that he was a straight shooter. I do have an ability to kind of read through the BS, and that's something that comes with time. And as you can see, I've got an hour and 30 minutes before I can legally take off. I'm on my way to New Canaan, Texas, if that's the pronunciation of it. I'm still about 900 and some miles. Let me look at the Navgo here just to give you an accurate, yeah, 965 miles. Sorry about the fingers. Yeah, I'm new. I'm a rookie. I'm making these videos. But yeah, I got 965 and I got to be there. I'm on the 28th at, again, 10:22 p.m. I don't know the military time. I'm still getting used to military time. So whatever 10 o'clock is in military time, add 22 minutes to it, and that's what time I got to be there. That's the first time I got a schedule where I've got to be somewhere at, that's not like a whole number, like a 10 or 11 o'clock, weird. But that's my YouTube. I'm downloading material for tonight's ride. I'm constantly learning. I'm big into the financial world. Have experience in the financial world. Actually, in my past career, I worked on the Mercantile Exchange in New York City, where we actually set the world's prices for crude oil, heating oil, unleaded gasoline, natural gas, etc. So, but you know what? Even though I know stuff, I still don't know stuff. And the day I stop learning is the day life ends for me. So I'm heavily into cryptocurrency. I'm not trying to advertise it. That's just my flavor. The neat thing about cryptocurrency, it is the future. That's the way we're going to be doing business. I believe in Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a finite amount that's going to be ever made, and that's 21 million. 6 million of the 21 million made have been lost and never to be recovered back in the early years. I don't want to get into it, but that's going to be, I believe, the world's reserve currency one day. It can't be inflated like the dollar. But again, that's just my thing. And the good thing about cryptocurrency, getting back to that, is that you can start with $10. You could put $50, $100, whatever. I encourage, for those who are in any industry, it's not how much you make, it's how much you save. And being that you bust your butt, and we all do, to make the dollar, have your dollar work hard for you. And the neat thing about crypto is that it trades 24 hours, 7 days a week. So while you're sleeping, driving, eating, whatever, your money is your money is compounding. And listen, there's gonna be days and weeks where there's gonna be losses, but you don't look at it in the short term. I look at it in the big picture. And I believe in 10 years from now, Bitcoin, I think it's at 31,000 today, is going to be in the mid to high six figures. That's just me, the research and the stuff that I've been reading and watching. But again, I encourage you to start some sort of investment plan. 401ks, mutual funds, etc., etc. But you know what? If I wish I had this knowledge when I was 20 years old. Probably wouldn't be driving the truck right now, but you know what? It's never too late to start, and that's the adage. But with that being said, I appreciate all the new subscribers to the channel. Please like and share. I do need help with editing. There's my GoPro. My GoPro 7 Hero Black. It's my dash cam. My drone's in the back chilling out. And so I'm trying to, and I will work it out. I will figure out how to edit and make really good quality videos. But for now, again, I appreciate you taking the journey with me across the United States. Have a great day, everyone, and keep safe.